Hi, my name is Jenny Duarte, and today I'm going to present about foreign investment in Nigeria for international business class. Since Nigeria is abundant with natural resources, it looks to collaborate with other countries to engineer demand in areas that have been overlooked by their thriving economy. Nigeria's vast population, over 170 million people, serves as Africa's largest market, presenting a wonderful opportunity for international business through collaboration for NEPA. Now we're gonna go through Nigeria's economic review. The macroeconomic condition is more difficult now than it was in 2015 and 2016 when oil's prices plummeted and Nigeria went through its first recession in 25 years. Nigeria now has fewer buffers and policy tools to mitigate negative consequences. COVID is also impacting Nigeria's economy. Prior to COVID, the economy was rising at a rate of 2.2%. But Nigeria is particularly vulnerable to COVID-19 global economy dispersion. The extent of health effect is determined by the outbreak's length, and domestic distribution, while the economic impact is determined by oil prices. Advantage to invest in Nigeria. Nigeria's ranking in the Easy of Doing Business Index has started to grow. Nigeria's capacity has gone in tape because previous development was filled with consumption in high oil prices. Nigeria's economic operations were negatively impacted by falling oil, with economy contracting by 0.67%. Nigeria is Africa's biggest investment sector. It provides secure political and legal climate, making it a haven for international capital. Nigeria has a moderate corporation tax rate and low VAT rate, a flexible labor market condition as free trade zone encourages multinational corporations to establish activities. According to Nigeria Export Processing Zone Act and the Oil of Gas Export Free Zone regime is packing of incentives and benefits provided by Nigerian government to companies making investment in the region. Nigeria's population serves as the largest market, allowing foreign investors to export and market their goods and allowing services in this region. Nigeria's top industries include crude oil, textiles, hide skins, coal, tin, cotton, and wood rubber products. Nigeria's top export commodities are petroleum and petroleum products, rubber, and cocoa. Nigeria's favorite export partners are India, Brazil, Netherlands, Spain, South Africa, France, Germany, and Japan. NEPAD means New Partnership for Africa's Development. NEPAD main objectives are to reduce poverty, put Africa on a sustainable development path, had modernization of African empowerment women. NEPAD aim initiative to attract international investors to Africa's endowed resources. The South African nation helped from the NEPAD, which is primarily focused on poverty in the African continent, maintaining Africa's roles in the global economy. Now I'm going to show some examples of foreign investment in the real world. Other African and non-African countries have engaged foreign trade to grow their economies, which is why nation-state growth cannot be overstated without international trade participation. As a result, countries trade with another obtain foreign exchange. This necessitates international investment to achieve economic growth and development. Partnership with one or more countries to acquire expertise and economic development through the manufacture of goods service for benefits of all parties involved. International trade is the lifeblood of Malaysia's economy. This has resulted in economic growth and development. When a country manufactures goods made up from raw material, finished goods, it aims to export them to earn foreign currency. Brazil advanced their economic growth and development. Reforms were made to attract foreign investment into the country by removing barriers and discrimination against multinational corporations. Malaysian products are mostly exported to other countries such as United States, Japan, Singapore, China, and other parts of the world, especially in Asia. They also import from these countries. The Nigerian government should make further efforts to ensure rapid development through the opportunities available in the country, laws to combat corruption, and engage strong investment to address the issue of power outages, thereby ensuring the consistent supply of electricity in Nigeria, which will help to boost the economy through massive industrialization. Thank you for watching.